Hello, mathletes. In Digital SAT, you will be required to solve some basic algebra questions. This question is one of those type of questions. So, before solving this question, I would like to give you prior knowledge of basic solving one-step equations. So, if there is addition, you will to solve an equation we will use inverse operations. If there is addition, you will use subtraction. If there is subtraction going on, you will to solve that equation you're going to use addition. The inverse operation of multiplication is division, and the inverse operation of division is multiplication. This is your prior knowledge. So in this specific question, y minus 14 is given is 55, and what value of y is the solution to the given equation, which means that we're going to solve this equation for y. So what do they do to y? They subtract 14 from it. If they subtract something from it, we will use addition. We're going to use inverse operation of subtraction, which is addition. I'm going to go ahead and add 14 to both sides of the equations. And when you add 14 to the 55, you're going to get 69. So y will be equals to 69. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time.